Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open PowerPoint and click Account in the File menu to start troubleshooting. Sign in with the Microsoft account that holds the license for Office. Check the product key or receipt and note the purchase date and transaction amount. Verify your subscription status and expiration date before proceeding. If you used a product keycard, enter the 25-character key exactly as shown. If the key is on a receipt, scan or photograph it for accuracy. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, and select Office from the list. Choose Modify and run online repair to fix corrupted files and activation errors. After repair, open any Office app and sign in with the licensed account. Install the latest Office updates via Account Update options and then restart your computer. Make sure Windows updates are current and free disk space is at least 5 GB before retrying activation. If basic steps fail, run the Microsoft Activation Troubleshooter to detect common issues. On Windows, open, run, and type SLU4 for phone activation if online activation fails. Temporarily disable firewall or proxy settings and retry activation within 10 minutes to avoid timeout errors. Clear cached credentials in Credential Manager and sign in again. If activation still fails, contact Microsoft Support and provide your purchase ID and device serial for assisted resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.